Hello, Southeastern family. As we approach the end of another wonderful year at our beloved university, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you.
Our university is more than just a place of learning. It is a community, a family. As we gather with our loved ones and reflect on the year gone by, let's cherish the spirit of togetherness and the strength we find in one another.
I am incredibly proud of the dedication and hard work displayed by our faculty, staff, and students. Your passion, knowledge, your resilience, and your commitment to excellence inspire us all. As we exchange gifts and enjoy the festive feasts, let's remember the importance of kindness, gratitude, and the joy of giving.
The holiday season is a time to spread love and warmth. Let's reach out to those around us, both near and far, and make a difference in their lives. Whether it's a small act of kindness or a generous gesture, let's embrace the true spirit of the holidays.
To our Southeastern family, I wish you a joyous holiday filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. May the coming year be filled with new opportunities, growth, and endless possibilities.
Thank you for making Southeastern a place of learning, inspiration, and unwavering spirit. Together we'll continue to achieve greatness in the coming year.
From our home to yours, happy holidays, everyone.